Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. See what's happening in the market. Let me share my screen with you. And it's for 29th of September 2023, and it's end of the week as well as end of the month as well. So let's see what's happening. Right, in Forex Factory, 1:30 p.m. we got USD for heavy impact, and we got card as well. 3 p.m. we got heavy impact USD news as well. And the rest of the day, we got a lot of news in different currencies, mainly medium impact and low impact. So there's quite a lot of news tomorrow. So end of month, end of week. So be careful because market can be very tricky on this because end of week, end of month. Normally, every end of the week, banks, big institutions, they'll close their positions, and same at the end of month as well. So let's go to our analysis and see what's happening in gold for this 4-hour chart. And this was 1 hourly support level. It was broken from here. This was a level as well. And this is 4 hour and broke this level and it came straight down to this level without respecting the one level in 4 hour. In 1 hedge, it did stop a bit here and then came down and went to the upside. And the Asian low, as what I said, we will take the trade in which direction the trade. This zone was broken. I said in my update and in the daytime. If you took that was a fake out. If you took a trade here and you could have made few pips, but because it was a fake out, especially when the news time, and this was after the what happened during the news. 15 minutes to close the candle, and after 15 minutes candle closed down, and you can see the market came down straight and broke this lower level as well, and then there's a 4-hour support level, and market went back to the upside. Right, in 15 minutes. So because support level was very close to this Asian low, hence market didn't go straight, it broke this. It was a strong level. So okay, it went to the upside, came down. You could have, if you took a sell trade here, you could have break even here and close it, depending on how you manage your trade. All right. And once this is broken, that was a very good opportunity. And this breakout was, you can see after this breakout, how many pips we had. Nearly over 100 pips. 1872 to, yeah, it's nearly 150 pips in fact. So if you could have managed to get like, say up to this level, this 1 hour level, you could get at 60 or 70 pips. That's still, for a day trader, is a lot. I tend to get normally 20, 30 pips, 40 pips a day normally. But sometimes it can be more, sometimes it can be less. That's my average, 20, 30 pips. Right, so that's what happened today, and you have to watch for the Dixie movement as well. So for the Dixie, see what happened in Dixie. This is 1 hour chart, and you can see Dixie went down, then went up, and then come down. The Dixie broke this level, and then broke this level. Now trading here made this new level. So that's what the Dixie. Let's make some new draw. Let me draw some new levels of gold, and this is 1 hour chart. In fact, let me put the level back, and we already have this level. So let me update these levels. Market is have a heavy downtrend, so it's most likely to have to come down tomorrow as well. You see, this is fair value gap here, and once this level is broken, let me make these two lines here. This is 1 hour chart, and very likely market will come these levels. Right. So we got these levels here. Let me go double check this level. So yes, after this level is broken. Let me make it more to the upside. This is a zone, in fact. So I made in a different color. So you know that between this level and this level is a fair value gap, as you can see, and from here to here is a fair value gap in 1 hour. So we can see sharp movement from here to here. And also here to here, we may not see from here to here, we may not see sharp movement, but definitely from here to here, we'll see very sharp movement. There's a fair value gap here. So let me write it down. The fair value gap in 1 hour. And we got fair value gap in 1 hour here as well. So we could see very sharp movement. So market may range in between this level where I draw some levels here. And going into smaller time frame, guys, levels are very important. And if you know your levels and how to manage the risk and trade, then you are there. You don't need anything else. You will definitely make profit. So once now market is in between 1867 and 1860 levels. So it is about 70 to 80 pips range. And in smaller time frame, if this is broken, we expect to move to the downside. And if it's broken, we can expect here, move to the upside here. In 5 minutes, you'll see more clearly. So it's probably wait for here in this level to reach and then look for sell. And once here is reached, look for buy unless indication is for the sell. So as long as you have a reasonable stop loss, then that's fine. You're good to go. Right. So once this is broken, these are the levels. Next level this is, and so on. So we got all the levels for gold, and now going to Dixie. What's happening in Dixie? Dixie have a rejection from here, and now Dixie made this another level here. So once this level is broken, we should see move to the downside. If this is rejected, we'll see to the upside. So I'll keep the levels the same, only this level was changed. And that's 1 hour, and see what's happening in the 15 minutes. You can see more clearly. Yeah, these levels are still valid. So I am expecting the Dixie to come down up to at least up to this level here. So then we might see rejection to the upside and so on. So if Dixies come here, I mean gold may go to the upside here, and vice versa. Because Dixie's movement is opposite the gold. So that's it for the gold and Dixie. And now let's see what's happening here in GBP JPY. Level was broken. This is a previous level. Let me remove this level to up to here. And see this is the base which I mentioned previously. And now I'm expecting this level to be broken and go to the upside here. And if this level is respected, then we'll move to the downside. However, it looks like it will be broken up to, at least to this up to here. Then it may range. Then we'll see the direction in different, could be to the upside or downside depending on. So this is the area has a rejection from. If we make a channel, we may see a clear picture. It's a daily 4 hours, you can see. So there's a possibility to go up to here. There's a channel and support area, resistance area. This is already resistance area. It may go to the next resistance area and come down, or come down from here. So let's see how it behaves. Right, that's it for now, guys, and I hope it's useful. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.